Hi guys, just want to show you how to replace the daytime running lights on the Audi A4 B8. Similar to I think Audi Q5 and the facelift version, because this is the pre-facelift version. So what you're gonna need is the Torx screw driver, quite long, because on this side you need it to go quite deep there. A knife to cut open the lamps, and rubbers which we supply to replace to cover the holes after you replace the bulbs. Got three types of bulbs. I'm selling the middle one now, but today I'm gonna try and fit the other ones and test them, and hopefully if they work fine without errors, then I'm gonna release them soon. Okay, so first off you need to unscrew the plastic cover, all the screws. I already did that. Pull it out. Then the lamp has screws. One, the second one is here. This two just need to loosen up a bit, they don't need to be unscrewed. This one and also this one, I think they need to come out. Then obviously the plug for the lamp, which if it doesn't go well, just push it with the screwdriver, and it comes out. And then you've got all the lamp unscrewed. I did that already, and the two over there loosened a bit. You just take out the lamp slowly, one side. Try to take it out. All the way. I've got some A7 bulbs connected as well for the ballasts. So when you have the lamp out, basically you can access the daytime running lights, which I already cut out the hole. If you cut it out with the knife, just maximum go deep, maybe like that, 2-3 millimeter, because there are cables running just below it, so be careful when you cut it out around, not to cut the wires as well. These covers which I provide are not custom made for this. I just found them, but they do help to, no moisture get inside. This one fits perfectly, but this one, if you need to, you can cut it in the middle roughly, and then it will go, or try to even more to go flat with the lamp, so when you slide it back in, it doesn't come out or block the thingy. The bulb itself, just push the little lever and pull it out. You've got the connector, and then you just twist the bulb and pull it out. With this one here, the same story. You need to access, you need to find it. So I'm just gonna put that down. Yeah, pull it out, the connector, and then when you have access to it, then you can twist the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. So the bulbs are fitted now, and as you can see, there is no error on the dashboard. Everything is fine. Normally the arrow is showing up with the radio where the songs are. So during the day I don't think there will be any difference. The normal ones I'm selling are quite strong already. The outside one is the strongest Cree, that I'll get some more soon, and the middle one is the weakest that is gonna be there. I don't see any difference, to be honest. At least now in the daytime. I'm gonna leave them inside and check later. Just be careful when you install back the lamp. It's can get scratched. I scratched it here, so be very careful. I've got also ballast for the dipped beam, so it's even trickier. I have like full conversion, which I'm also selling the H7 bulbs, so I need to like put the ballast first inside and then try to slide the lamp inside very delicately from this side, and then work the way so it's all the way in. When you have it like that, then you can move to the screws that are slightly loosened to push the lamp in on top of them, under them. This one and the other one as well. It's the same story on both sides, so need a bit of working and patience, definitely, when you have them more or less, and you can push the lamp fully in, position it so it's definitely right. It's not right on this side. You need to slide it in completely as it was before. You can check on the other side how it has to sit flush with the body. As you can see, the lamp is flush now on this side as well. I scratched it quite a bit by trying too much. Hopefully you won't do the same. And yeah, basically what was the thing as well, you need to make sure like this wire is going on top of the plastic from the lamp. Basically check before you take out the lamp how the wires are going, and you know, put them back the same way. And the daytime is working. Just put it all back together and that's it.